Hello, dear everybody. How are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. Thank you. Welcome back to my new video. I am Shapun Kumar Nandi. I have my father with me, Devabrata Kumar Nandi Dev. You can call me Devabrata Kumar Nandi Dev, but nickname Dev. At present, I am standing by Pabna Shodru Pujala. It is a field. The name of this field is Police Line School and Field. We are playing football in this field and playing cricket in this field, but we are also busy in this field. You can see my son. It is a small and baby son. It is a quick son. Okay, I ask much question. My father, are you ready? What's your name? What's your name? Baba. How old are you? I am 4 years old. Look at me. Baba. Okay, no problem. It is daily work and daily conversation English practice. Okay, no problem. You know, English is an international language. It is a foreign language, but it is a favorite language in this world. It is a popular language in this world. My language Bangla. Most of the people of Bangladesh depend on language Bangla. I love Bangla. Salute Bangla because Bangla is my mother language. Bangla is my father language. Bangla is my all people language in our country. It is a mother tongue, it is a father tongue, it is a all people tongue. Okay, no problem. I love Bangla, I like Bangla. Just English is a second language. It is a popular language. I am learning English. I am trying to learn English, but it is difficult but it is an easy language for you if you try. When you try every day, when you practice every day, I hope that you will be able to speak in English, you will be able to learn English. Just practice makes man perfect. You can see there are many people standing in this field. They are playing football in this field. Some boys play cricket regular evening in this field. It is a college, school college. The name of this college, Police Line School and College. As far as I know, it is a Police Line School field, but it is a popular field in this Upazila. The name of this Upazila is Pabna Shodru Upazila. It is a popular Upazila in our country.